Kia ora e te iwi, Piki here at the Tūranga Library here in Otautahi, Christchurch. Come check out the new exhibition available right now. I tēnei wā tonu nei, kia ana whakaata mai te Kūkūwai, ngā taonga tuku iho o Ngāi Tahu. Let's go meet Matakiwi.
Now, not to forget your feet, you've got the paraido, which are the sandals. And these ones here have been made out of harakeke or New Zealand flax, but the best ones were made out of tikaka or cabbage tree leaves. Usually the green ones, green leaves, because they were more supple to weave, but they're also a lot more resilient. And there was usually a double layer of leaves woven together to make the thickness. Now, old people, when they were going on long voyages, would have several of these made up, and if they needed to, would stop on the way and make more.